Hello, my name is Ashley Norman, and I'm going to be showing you how to create the trending 1990s Leonardo DiCaprio androgynous haircut. Here I'm using a straight blade unguarded razor with classic round graduation. When cutting left to right, I'm working with the heel of the blade almost perpendicular to my fingers, cutting across the hairs rather than shaving on top of them. The stroke of my blade creates a soft, feathered, piecey finish to create almost a zigzag or serrated line. Because you're cutting above your fingers instead of below your fingers, the combing tension is really important to cut cleanly through the section. Once you complete the right side, continue with the model's left side. We are working diagonal back, crisscrossing sections below the top horseshoe section. Now that I'm cutting from left to right, I'm working with the toe of the blade. Again, keeping my cutting perpendicular to my holding hand to cut across the hairs rather than shaving on top. As I'm cutting, I'm holding the hair out at a 45-degree angle. This creates that graduation or buildup of weight. Cross-check the center back connection and check for a balance in the round weight line. Continue with connecting the top horseshoe and the back crown section. Starting with connecting the center back at the weight line and then disconnecting short to long from back to front. Continue with the front quadrant of the top horseshoe section. Using diagonal forward sections, find where you left off in the crown and continue working a concave layer short to long from back to front. Once you've completed connecting the layer at the sides, start with a center section straddling the middle part from the crown to the front, working short to long back to front. Continue with the same sections through the entire top horseshoe, cross-checking until you finish with a triangular layer or a V shape in the front. To finish the look, we styled with the Schwarzkopf Professional's brand new Osis line, starting with the Grip Extra Strong Mousse. We worked this thoroughly through her hair, and then we started with the technique of flat wrapping, basically using the round shape of the head to enforce the volume and movement and memory from the scalp. Next, I'm using a boar hair flat brush to polish the mid-lengths and the ends with a blow dryer that also has a precise thin nozzle to direct the hair down along the cuticle for shine and polish. Notice how I never touch the nozzle to the face of the boar bristles. That would not only damage the boar bristles on the styling brush, but also cause excess heat damage to the client's hair. Once the hair was dry, I then added the Osis Glow. This is a frizz control and shine serum. Glow offers a silicone-free, lightweight formula that also protects against humidity and creates easy combing. I did a liberal application of this product to give that almost second day cool girl, greasy boy look. She was super digging it because she wanted something that was definitely a bit more androgynous and high fashion. We finished the look with the Osis Freeze Strong Hold Hairspray. This offers a easy to brush, flake-free finish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the trending hashtag LeoCut using the brand new Osis product line by Schwarzkopf Professional. I'm Ashley Norman, a member of the US artistic team, and you can find me at Ashley Norman Hair on Instagram.